What's up YouTube? Today we're gonna breaking down this flash transition. It's super sick and used by a ton of different VFX editors. Also, this video is going to be sponsored by my editing packs. You guys watching my videos and support me through my packs of what allows me to keep going. Thank you to every single one of you out there watching. Presets will be linked down below, but yeah, let's get straight into it. I have these two clips side by side, no effects on them, there's nothing on them right now, it's literally just the two clips. So first things first, I'm going to turn on the motion blur right here. And I'm going to make sure my motion blur icon is on so that I can get the motion blur. Just like that, I'm going to go to where these two clips meet, which is right here, duplicate this clip, Ctrl D, and then right click, go to time, and freeze frame. We're going to bring this up above our first clip and just drag it all the way up, nothing specific, just enough to where you have a lot to work with. And now where my playhead is in the middle right here, count 2 frames backwards, split it, and delete the rest. So if you did that right, it should look like this, just like that. I'm going to go to the beginning of this clip, double click it to bring up our layer composition. And I'm just going to choose this icon and just going to roto this out really quick. And again, it doesn't have to be a perfect roto. It's a freeze frame, so there won't be a lot of movement, meaning it'll be a very easy roto. As long as you get this first frame decent, the rest will work. It's a quick effect, so the roto doesn't need to be super detailed, but do it to what your liking is. Bam, just like that. I'm gonna go to freeze to lock in our roto. Now go back to your composition. If you've done all the steps correctly so far, you should have something like this. Just pops up as a freeze frame, no effect on it. Perfect. So our next step is going to be adding a lumetri color. Close roto panel. Alright, we'll drop down to basic correction and we'll turn everything up. Exposure up, contrast up, highlights up, shadows up, whites up, blacks up, everything all the way up. So we get this white solid just like that. And once you have that, we can close this. Now we will add glow. Let me show you what it looks like with regular glow. So if you have regular glow, you're just going to want to put the threshold at 20 and the radius at like 1/70, something like that. But for this example, I'm going to use sapphire glow. I just wanted to show you that you can do it with regular glow if you don't have the sapphire glow plugin, or you can even use deep glow, but it's also paid. Alright, and so far you should have something like this. We're going to go to the beginning where we made the freeze frame at. We're going to go to the left 2 frames. So 1, 2, Ctrl Shift D. And then you're going to make a cut on every frame. So 1 to the left, make a cut, 1 to the left, make a cut, and so on and so forth. Alright, something like that. And just delete the rest. Keep these 2 frames in, this is very important. And from the left, you want to delete every other one. So we'll delete this one, and delete this one. Usually I like to do 4, just like this. And so far, if you've done everything right, you should have something like this. Take it one step further, we're gonna add a CC scale wipe. Alright, and you're going to want to put the center on the center of your roto. You can put it wherever you like, so I'll put it right here on his chest. And I'll put the direction, this is the direction you want to stretch at. So I'll just put it at negative 45 degrees. And I'll just put the stretch up to manipulate it like this. And I'll bring the stretch up a little bit, maybe a little bit more. And just a little bit less, something like that. There's no right way for this, just whatever way you think looks best as far as the stretch goes. Just run with that. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to the right. I'm not going to put it on this one, you're going to put it on every other one, so we'll put it on this one right here, like that. So you should have one with the stretch, one just regular, one with the stretch, and one regular. And if you did everything correct, you should have an effect that looks just like this. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.